Good day to all of you. Once again, this is your teacher Daniel, and today, ang pag-aaralan naman po natin yung mga systems of linear equations into variables. First, we are going to illustrate a system of linear equations into variables, and later on, we will show you some graph of these systems para mas maintindihan yung lalo kung para saan ba natin to ginagamit and what occurs in their graph. In this topic, ang lagi nyo lang pong tatandaan is pagka we are pertaining now to systems, we will be employing several linear equations. It could be 2 or more linear equations. Na kung dati-dati, we are only using one linear equation. This time, pagka sinabi na nating system, it composes of several or many linear equation. Basically, ang ginagawa natin under this topic, meron tayong at least dalawang linear equations. At saka yung mga ganong systems, paano ba nakakatulong yun in solving problems? Okay. One most common problem under this topic, systems of linear equation, one of the most abused problem here has something to do with number problems. Let's say the sum of two numbers is 9 and their difference is 5. What are those numbers? Bago natin masagot kung what are those numbers that the sum is 9 and their difference is 5, kailangan busisiin muna natin yung mga numbers na yung sum nila is 9, and then later on we will proceed to those numbers which has a difference of 5. Ito lang munang sum of numbers which is 9. So, if we are going to, kung isa-isahin natin, kung isa-isahin po natin, let's say, 0 plus 9 is equals to 9. That's true. 1 plus 8 is equivalent to 9, right? How about 2 plus 7? 2 plus 7 is also 9. And in this manner, kung mapapansin nyo po, meron tayong pattern, Meron po tayong pattern. Ayan. We can write here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we will stop there. Hindi naman kasi pwedeng maging 10 pa yan. Kasi pag naging 10 pa yan, hindi na yan magsasum into 9. Sobra na tayo ng isa. So, we will stop there. Ibig sabihin, yung pattern niya, definite meron may katapusan yung kanyang pattern. Here, 9, 8, 7, can also have 6, can have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yun yung mga magkakapartner, Kung sa kung sa graphing method pa natin, yun yung tinatawag nating ordered pair. The ordered pair, later on, pag pinakita natin yung graph is 0, 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, so ganun po. Now, all of these pairs have a sum of 9. Kung titingnan nyo lang po na mabuti, they have a sum of 9, just like 8 plus 1, that is also equivalent to 9. Since alam na natin yung mga numbers that sum up with 9, titingnan naman natin kung ano yung mga numbers na yung difference nila is 5. But beware, beware kasi yung ganitong pattern naman, their difference is 5. It's infinite. The solution is infinite. So, we could actually start with some number, and then we will discover if their difference is 5. Now let us try to discover those numbers which has a difference of 5. Okay, so we'll start with the very small number. Let's say 5 minus 0. Bakit? Kasi 5 minus 0 is 5. Yan. Ito yung hinahanap natin, difference is 5. Those pair of numbers na pagka sinubtract mo, ang result niya is 5. We can also have 6 minus 1, that is also 5. We could continue this. 7 minus 2, that is also 5. And kung mapapansin nyo po, meron siyang pattern, ano? May pattern siya. So 5, 6, 7, we can continue this. 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on and so forth. The same with the partner, yung partner nung number na yan, or yung magiging ordered pair natin mamaya. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. Ganon. So this is 5, 5, 5, 5. Now, having those pattern, mapapansin nyo na parang infinite ata yung solution ng difference is 5, or difference of 5, or two numbers which has a difference of 5. Parang infinite ata yung result. Kasi po, kung mapapansin nyo to, this is increasing. This is also increasing. Pataas din siya, no? And since both of this, the pair in the ordered pair is increasing, therefore, the solution is infinite. Walang katapusan. Kung itutuloy pa natin to, haba ng haba yung ating magiging solutions. I-disregard na lang natin yung numbers na pababa. Kasi, ano siya, negative number siya. We are not very much concerned with those numbers na pababa. Kasi sa problem pa lang, ang number na concern natin, yung, yung counting numbers. Ayan po. Okay, so, if we are going to put it in a table, the numbers which has the sum of 9 are these numbers like 8, 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4. Yun yung mga numbers na may difference na 5 is 5 minus 0, 6 minus 1, 7, 2, 8, 3, and so on and so forth. So in this case, meron na tayong automatic meron na tayong mga ordered pair. Pwede na nating ipakita sa inyo yung graph. But before natin ipakita sa inyo yung graph, dito pa lang sa table na to, makikita na agad natin yung sagot sa problem. Meaning, kung saan sila nagkapareho. Yan, 7, 2. Which is unique, di ba? Unique sa dalawang, sa dalawang table na to. Parang magkasundo sila sa ordered pair na to, 7 and 2. So, yun yung isa sa mga kahalagahan kung bakit pinag-aaralan natin yung system. Unang-una, nakakatulong yung system of linear equation para ma-solve natin yung mga problem na ganito. At ang pinaka-concern natin dito when we are studying systems of linear equation, yung kanilang magiging solution. Or yung ordered pair that solves both the situation. Yan po. So, sa madaling salita, yung 7, 2, it solves the first situation, which is the sum of two numbers is 9. Why? Kasi 7 plus 2 is equivalent to 9. And 7, 2 also solves the second situation, wherein their difference is 5. That is 7 minus 2, that is also 5. Meaning, yung number, ito na yun, kaya na nating sagutin yung tanong na, ano yung number na pagka inad mo raw 9 at saka pagka sinubtract mo 5. So that those numbers are 7 and 2. Ayan. Yan yung sagot. Ngayon, paano nakatulong yung system of linear equation? In this situation, we want to clarify to our viewers na yung 7 to dito is the solution of these two systems. Yan. The solution. That is the solution of these two separate system. Ito yung isa sa kahalagahan nung kung bakit natin pinag-aaralan yung topic na to. That is for us to identify which solves the two situation, or what is the solution of these two systems. So let us try to graph. Pakita na natin yung graph. If we are going to graph, kung sa graph naman nating titingnan yung kanyang magiging solution, we are going to graph the first situation. Sum of two numbers is 9. 8, 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4. O, pasensya na po sa graph natin, ano? Maikli lang kasi ang objective lang naman natin dito ipakita yung intersection nila later on. Wherein nasa 7, 2. So, the sum of two numbers is 9. Ang magiging graph niya, parang segment lang siya. Bakit segment? Kasi ano siya definite lang yung kanyang solution. Definite lang. May katapusan kasi yung kanyang solution. How about for the difference of two numbers, which is 5? So, since infinite yung kanyang solution, we will make use of an arrow, a double arrow. At kung mapapansin nyo po, kung saan sila nag-i-intersect, yung dalawang graph na yan, kung nasaan yung kanilang intersection, yun yung ordered pair that solves the problem, or that solves these two situation. So, the ordered pair here, somewhere here, that is 7, 2. Meaning, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 7 minus 2 is 5. This ordered pair solves the problem. Now, ano naman yung kahalagahan kung bakit natin pinapakita yung graph ng systems? Kasi sa systems, when you put it into graph, kung saan sila nag-intersect, yun yung solution nung problem. Yun. Okay po? Let us try to have another example. Let's say, we want to construct a rectangular fence, bakod siya na parehaba, for our mini rabbit farm. So meron tayong kukulong na mga rabbit, ganyan po. Such that the perimeter is 24 meters. O alam naman natin yung ibig sabihin ng perimeter. Pagka sinabi nating perimeter, pagka daw inad natin lahat ng lahat ng bakod niya, that would measures 24 meters. And so the perimeter, the first situation is dapat ang perimeter niya is 24 meters, and its length, the length is 3 times its width. So let us have a clear picture kung ano itsura ng bakod pagka ganyan yung situation. Sabi, its length is 3 times its width, and take note, it is made out of prefabricated material. Kadalasan kasi yung mga prefabricated materials, yung dati nang gawa, minsan or madalas, hindi natin sila pwedeng putulin kasi prefabricated nga Kaya ang tendency, bibili lang tayo ng by units, tapos diretso kabit. Yan po. So kung ang situation is, the length is 3 times its width. So kung ito yung width niya, the length should be 3 times the width. So 1, 2, 3. So, meaning, ganyan siya kahaba. 3 times the width. Ayan. So, magiging itsura ng ating bakod, ganyan po. Made out of prefabricated material. Parang ina-assemble na lang yan, tapos kinakabit diretso. Ayan po. And another situation is, kailangan daw, yung perimeter niya is 24 meters. Ibig sabihin, pagka inad natin to, side A, side B, side C, side D, pag inad natin lahat ng sides niya, kailangan eksakto 24 meters siya. Malay natin, baka yung may-ari nagtitipid. Ganun. It's possible na ganun yung situation. So, ano kaya yung magiging dimension ng ating fence? Meaning, ilang prefabricated material yung bibilhin natin kung ganito yung situation. Na kailangan eksakto yung perimeter niya is 24 meters and the length is 3 times its width. Okay, una, let us try to investigate first yung second situation. Ito po, the length is 3 times its width. Kasi, bakit natin to inuna? Ito kasi yung madaling intindihin. Subukan natin. The length is 3 times the width. In equation, ito dapat yung situation nung unang, or ito yung magiging equation, or what is this? Ito yung magiging first situation natin. Ayan po. And then, we will start with a very small number para makita talaga natin kung ano yung magiging result whenever a number is multiplied by 3 or 3 times. 3 times of another number. Yun po yung ibig sabihin yan. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng zero measurement kasi wala namang ganun or negative measurements. So this problem alone pertains to counting numbers. Wala namang kasing zero and negative measurements po. So we will focus more on those counting numbers. We will start with 1. Kung yung sukat nung width is 1 times 3, ang magiging sukat nung length is, syempre times lang natin sa 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Ayan. So, bale, ito yung magiging ordered pair natin mamaya. Ganun po. If that is 2 times 3, that would be 6. O, bakit ganun? Kasi halimbawa, kung 2 meters yung width niya, kailangan yung length niya is 6. Para eksakto talaga siya dun sa length is equivalent to 3 times width. The length is 3 times the width. Ganun po yung ibig sabihin yan. We can continue this pattern. Let's say 3 times 3, that will be 9. And we could continue this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. Here we have 3, 6, 9. Mapapansin nyo agad yung pattern 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That is 6 times 3, 6, 12, 18. And then that is 21, and so on and so forth. Now, since in this pattern, increasing yung unang what is this? Tawagin na lang natin siyang x coordinate or abscissa. Increasing yung abscissa. The same with the ordinate or yung y coordinate natin, increasing din siya. So we have a hint na yung solution niya is also infinite. Importante na nakikita natin kung infinite or definite ba yung solution natin para hindi na natin siya pinapahaba. Okay, so tapos na yung tapos na nating imbestigahan yung second situation. We will now proceed to the first situation. The perimeter daw dapat is 24 meters. At alam naman natin on how to solve perimeter from our elementary. Perimeter is just P is equivalent to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. O parang inad lang natin yung lahat. Dalawang length plus dalawang width. And the perimeter, given the perimeter which is 24 meters. Ayan. So, meron bang sukat na pwede siyang maging 24 meters? O, subukan natin. Hindi na natin gagamitin yung 0 kasi yung 0, bali siya, wala naman kasing sukat na 0 eh. Pagka yung width mo or yung length mo 0, edi parang wala ka ring bakod nun. Ano po? Pero sa graph, iba yung usapan pagka-graph. Pagka yung graph kasi, usually ang ginagawa natin, in-extend natin yung line. O, sige, focusan na lang muna natin to. Okay? Ano ba yung pwede? So, 24. Pagka yung length 1 times mo sa 2, so 2 times 1 is 2. Ano po? 2. So, 24 minus 2, tanong, i-minus natin. I-minus agad natin. Yun yung para hindi tayo malito, ito yung width natin, tas ito yung length natin, ganyan. Pwede naman ganyan, di po ba? So, kung yung width natin is, let's say, 1 meter, 2 times 1, dalawang width is 2 meters. I-minus mo dun sa 24 meters, ang mangyayari, 22 meters. At yung 22 meters, malamang ito po yun. And 22 is also the same as 2 times 11. Ayan. So, meron na tayong agad, meron na agad tayong first ordered pair natin, which is 1 and 11. Sulat natin dito, 24 is equivalent to 2 with and or plus 2 length. Sir, kung sakasakali, pwede mag-interchange yung x and y? Oo, pwede. In this case, pwedeng mag-interchange yung width at saka yung length. Pero mamaya sa graph natin, ipa-proper natin to. Ipa-proper naman na po natin siya para para sabay sila. X-axis will pertain to, let's say, the width, tapos y-axis will pertain to the length. Ganyan, para hindi magulo. So, meron na tayong unang ordered pair natin. Unang ordered pair natin is 1, 11. 1 and 11. Oh, let us discover more ordered pair na yung kanyang perimeter is 24. So, yung 1, gawin natin 2 naman. 2 naman. Next naman is 2. 2 times 2, meaning dalawang width. 2 times 2 is 4 meters. 4 meters. Ibawas agad natin dun sa 24. So, most probably, this is 20. Yung 20, divide natin sa 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So, 2 times 10. Again, meron na naman tayong dalawang ordered pair. That is 2 and 10. Yan. O bakit? Kasi, kung ganito yung sukat natin, meaning, eto 2 meters, tapos eto 10 meters, eto 2 meters, eto rin 10 meters kasi rectangular naman po siya. Pag in-add natin yung dimensions nung ating rectangular fence for our rabbit farm, ang perimeter niya is 24. Ayan. Okay, let us have some more ordered pair na yung perimeter niya is also 24. Yung 2 gawin naman nating 3. Ayan. So 2 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Ano po? Tapos ibawas agad natin dun sa 24. So that will be 18. At pag dinivide natin si 18 by 2, that is 9. Ano po? 2 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Ganun po. So, yung kasunod nating ordered pair is 3, 9. Ayan. Parang parang ang complicated. Hindi naman po. Kasi ang ginagawa lang naman natin is we are trying to guess, an intelligent guess, kung ano yung magiging sukat, ano yung mga possible measurement where the perimeter is 24. So, dito pa lang, mapapansin nyo na meron na silang pattern. 1, 2, 3, and we can go on, 4, 5, 6, 7, ito naman, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. At kung mapapansin nyo po, ito is increasing. Tas increasing values. Ito naman pong nasa kabila, yung kapartner niya is decreasing. Yung pattern niya is decreasing. It tells us kung yung isa increasing, yung isa decreasing. It tells us na yung kanyang magiging solution is finite or definite. It has finite or definite solution. Meaning, may katapusan yung solution niya. Now, tingnan natin. Ayan. So, having this ordered pairs, pwede na natin siyang ipakita sa table. Pero dito pa lang, sa ordered pair na to, makikita natin agad yung solution that will answer this problem. So ano kaya yung ano kaya yung ordered pair wherein yung dalawang system na to magkasundo sila. That is 3, 9. Ayan, pareho yung value nila, no, at 3, 9. So meaning that solves our problem. Before we go to our graph, check muna natin kung tama yung solution. The length is 3 times its width. So if the length is 3 times the width. So if the width is 3, that is 3 times 3, the length is, what is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is just 9. So therefore, it solves our first situation, 3, 9. How about for the second situation, wherein the perimeter is 24. So if we are going to solve for the perimeter, na dapat yung perimeter daw niya is 24, that is 2 times the width. What is the width? 3. And what is the length? The length is 9. 2 times 9. So 2 times 3 is 6, while 9 times 2 is 18. And 6 plus 18 is 24. Oh, that solves our second situation. So meaning, the ordered pair 3, 9 solves the two systems. And 3, 9 solves the problem. So madaling salita, ang sukat dapat nung rectangular fence natin is 3 by 9 meters. So kung idodrawing po natin, magiging itsura niyan kung prefabricated yung material natin, meaning madalas hindi siya maaaring putulin. So the width is 3, ganyan. Tatlong ganito. Bibili ka ng tatlong ganyan, tapos bibili ka pa ng siyam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tapos 1, 2, 3. Tapos the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ayan. So, meaning, ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating fence made out of prefabricated material. Wherein dito, yung sukat niya is 3 units or 3 meters. Dito naman, this is 9. At pagka ganyan, eksakto yan, 24 meters yung kanyang perimeter. Ganda, ang galing, sige. Pakita naman natin yung magiging solution niya kung ilalagay natin siya sa graph, yung dalawang system. So, the first system is the length is equivalent to 3W or 3 times the width. It has the ordered pair 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12, including 0, 0. Kasi, tawag nito. If we are pertaining to linear equations, systems of linear equations, most cases, shortcut na lang natin siya. We will assume that it involves all real numbers. And take note, magkasundo sila sa 3, 9. Kung sa graph, dapat ang intersection nila is 3, 9. So, tingnan nga natin. Let us try to graph this. 1, 3, 2, 6. Ayan. Ayan. So, 1, 3, 2, 6. Ayan po. 3, 9, 4, 12, and so on and so forth. How about for this second system, which is 24 is equivalent to 2L plus 2 width. 2 length plus 2 width. That is 0, 12. Kasama na si 0. 0, 12. O bakit sinama si 0, 12? Ano lang naman to para ipakita natin yung dalawang linear graph. Pero ang concern natin is yung kanyang intersection. Ayan. Yun yung ordered pair that will solve our problem. We have 111. Ayan po. This is 111. This is 210. Ayan. Pagka-graph natin yung mga ordered pairs na to, Sorry. Ganito yung itsura ng graph niya. At yung dalawang system na yan, magkasundo or nag-i-intersect at, hulaan nyo kung saan. Nag-i-intersect po sila at 3, 9. Yan. And 3, 9 is the solution. 3, 9 is said to be the solution of these two systems. L is equivalent to 3W and 24 is equivalent to 2L plus 2W. Again, isa sa mga kahalagahan kung bakit natin pinag-aaralan yung systems of linear equation, we are very much concerned kung ano yung magiging intersection nila, kasi yung intersection nila later on, that is the solution of those two systems. That is the solution. That solution will help us solve problems. Okay, so let us have one last example. And for this example, we will be dealing with the so-called break-even problem. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng break-even? Or pag sinabi nating break-even, kung saan sila patas, yun po yung ibig sabihin ng break-even. Now, para maklaruhan kayo kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng break-even, mamaya ipapakita natin yan sa pamamagitan ng graph. Pero for the meantime, let us first investigate the problem. Which is more economical to rent for a day vacation? And which among these two motels or pension house, which is more economical for bikers short bath stops? Sige. Paliwanag natin na mabuti kung tungkol saan yung problem. Yung problem po natin tungkol sa kung sinong motel or pension house yung mas mura. Pero syempre, depende sa situation. We have two situation. Una, sino sa dalawang motel or pension house yung mura pagka ikaw ay magbabakasyon? At pagka ikaw ay magbabakasyon, usually, tumatagal ka dun ng ilang hours or ilang days, di po ba? Tapos, sino naman sa dalawang motel na to or pension house yung affordable para naman dun sa mga sa mga nagbabike, tapos ang intention lang nila is para magpalit lang ng damit, maligo, ganun. O di ba nowadays usong-uso yung mga nagbabike. Tapos nagbabike sila sa mga malalayong lugar, inaabot sila sa mga malalayong lugar, and usually mag-i-stop lang sila, kakain sila, tapos magre-rent sila ng motel or hotel, tapos maliligo lang saglit, tapos lalabas ulit, tapos diretso bike papunta naman sa ibang lugar. Yun yung ginagawa nila. So we have two types of customers here. Yung unang customer natin, bakasyonista, meaning pag pumunta siya sa lugar na yon, magtatagal siya. Yung isang type naman ng customer natin is saglit lang, kasi magpapalit lang ng damit kasi nagbabike sila, mga bikers sila, ganon. Ngayon, ang tanong, alin sa dalawang ito yung mas mura para dun sa bakasyonista? At alin naman sa dalawang motels na to or pension house yung mas mura naman para dun sa mga nagbabike na ang intention lang is maligo lang saglit tapos alis agad? Ayan. Sige, subukan natin. For Duplex Diamond Motel, ang charge nila is 130 pesos sa check-in. Pag check-in mo pa lang, bayad ka agad ng 130 pesos. And then, 50 pesos per hour extensions. Sa Amana Pension House naman, yung check-in charge nila is 250 pesos plus 20 pesos per hour extensions. Ngayon, kung babalikan nyo yung mga previous lessons natin, itunuro ko po sa inyo kung paano gawing linear equations, yung mga ganitong situation, Kung nakaligtaan nyo po, please balikan nyo lang po yung mga previous videos natin on how to express these kinds of problem into linear equations. Pwede rin natin siyang isa-isahin. So, let's say, for Duplex Diamond Motel. Okay, Duplex Diamond Motel. Ang charge niya is 130 pesos for check-in. So, agad-agad magbabayad tayo ng 130. Kung mag-extend pa tayo ng oras, that is 50 pesos per hour. Kung yung renta niya is 50 pesos per hour, that is equivalent to Y is equivalent to 50 times X, wherein yung X dito pertains to the number of hours. X will pertain, linawin lang po natin dito, X will pertain to the number of hours a certain person or certain customer stays on that motel or pension house, and Y here pertains to the cost, yung babayaran natin. So 50 times X, kada oras extension, plus 130. Fixed charge yan. Pag check-in mo pa lang, bayad ka agad ng 130 pesos. Tapos parang parang taxi, papatak yung metro. Kung gaano kakatagal nag-stay dun sa motel na yon. So this equation here will pertain to the duplex Diamond Motel. Paano naman sa Amana Pension House? Again, magkano yung per hour nila? That is 20 pesos, So that is 20 times X. So, kung ilang oras ka nag-stay doon, times mo lang sa 20, yun yung babayaran mo. Yung cost. Plus, syempre, meron tayong fixed charge agad na 250 pesos. Pag check-in pa lang natin, 250 agad yung charge. So, therefore, yung linear equation natin para kay Amana, para dun sa Amana Pension House, is Y is equivalent to, ayusin ko lang, tanggalin na lang natin yung parenthesis, 20x. Y is equivalent to 20x plus 250. Ayan. Now, let us try to, what is this? Let us try to identify the ordered pairs. Kasi later on, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano to sinusolve. Kung paano sinusolve yung kanilang intersection. Or the value of X and the value of Y wherein these two systems agree. For the meantime, pakita na lang muna natin yung table for duplex. Table of ordered pairs. For duplex Diamond Motel, let's say nagtagal ka doon ng 1 oras. So kung nag-1 oras ka doon, times lang natin sa 50, that is 50 plus 130, that will be 180. So Y will be 180. So if the number of hours X is 1, Y here, yung babayaran natin is 180. O paano natin nalaman? Kasi Y is equivalent to 50 times 1 plus 130. Y is equivalent to 50 times 1 is 50 plus 130. Y is equivalent to 50 plus 130 is 180. Ganyan po. So, meron na tayo agad our first ordered pair, which is 180. Let us have another ordered pair. Let's say, nagtagal ka doon sa duplex Diamond Motel ng 2 hours. 2 hours, So, yung 50 times 2. So, that is 100. Tapos, fixed charge na 130. So, that is 230. So, pag nag-stay ka doon ng 2 oras, ang bayad dyan is 230. How about pag nag-stay ka doon ng 3 oras? Again, 50 times 3 is 150 plus 130, that is 280. 280. Tama ba? Let us check. So, Y is equivalent to 50 times 3 plus 130. Y is equivalent to 150 plus 130. Y is equivalent to 200, 280. Okay, tama. So, yung babayaran natin is 280. Tingnan natin kung may nakikita na tayong pattern. Wala pa, Medyo mahirap pa yung sa Y. Subukan pa uli natin. Let us try to proceed. let's say nagtagal tayo doon ng 4 na oras. So, yung babayaran natin, yung kung sa taxi pa, yung metro na papatax natin is 50 times 4. So, that is 200 plus 130. That is 330. Paano pag nagtagal tayo doon ng 5 hours? 5 times 4, 200 plus 130, 330. Okay, correct. 5 hours. Let's say 5 hours. $50 times 5. That is 250. 250 plus 130. That is 380. Okay. So, sa tingin ko, with this order pair, makikita na natin yung pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could continue this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan. 180, 230, 280, 330, 380, 430, 480, 530, 580, and 630. Ayan. O, subukan natin, check natin yung last kung tama. So, y is equivalent to 50 times 10 plus 130. Pag nagtagal tayo dun ng 10 hours times 50, that is 500 plus 130. Y is equivalent to 500 plus 130 is 630. Correct? Ayan. Haba, grabe. O mamaya sasagutin natin yung tanong na bakit tinawag siyang break-even. Basta tandaan nyo lang, pag tinawag na break-even, meaning patas. Okay, pag-aralan naman natin yung charge o yung cost, pagka naman doon naman tayo tumuloy sa Amana Pension House. So, per hour niya is 20. Kung sa Amana tayo, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Pag isang oras, that is 20 plus 250. So, that is 270. Pag 2 oras, pag 2 hours, that is 40. Plus 250, that is 290. Paano pag 3 oras? That is 20 times 3. So, that is 60 plus 250. So, 60 plus 250, that is 310. Ayan. 310. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung may pattern tayo. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Yung kasunod niya, 310. That will be 330. So, meaning, dinadagdagan lang natin ito ng dinadagdagan ng 20. Subukan nga natin kung tama. 30, 40, 50. 350. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 100, 110, 110, 111, 110, 120, 130, good. 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70. So, that is 370. Then, 370, 80, 90. Then, 410. Then, 430. And then, 430, 40, 50. Now, check natin yung last kung tama. So, y is equivalent to 20 times 10 plus 250. So, we have 20 times 10, that is 200 plus 250. 200 plus 250, that is 450. 50. Okay, so correct. Yan. Try lang natin to. Ayan. Now, meron na tayong table of values. Hanapin na lang natin kung saan sila magkakapareho. It seems that yung dalawang system na to o yung dalawang motel na to magkasundo sila sa 4 hours at saka sa babayaran na 330. Ibig sabihin, pagka nagtagal ka, alinman sa dalawang motel na to or pension house na to, basta umabot ka lang ng 4 na oras, pareho lang yung babayaran natin. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung itsura kung i-graph natin yung dalawang system. Ayan. So, yung graph po, yung kulay yellow, it will pertain to Diamond Hotel. Yung kulay green, it will pertain to Amana Pension House. So, here, ito yung sa Diamond Hotel. Yung green, it will pertain to Amana Pension House. Ayan. So, kung i-graph natin sila, you can make use of GeoGebra. GeoGebra. All you have to do is to input y is equivalent to 50x plus 130 and input y is equivalent to 20x plus 250. Ayan. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin nito, yung dalawang motel, magkasundo sila at in an ordered pair for 330. Ibig sabihin, alinman sa dalawang motels na to, either sa Diamond or sa Amana, pag nagtagal ka doon ng 4 hours, pareho lang yung babayaran nyo. So, alinman doon sa dalawang motels na yon, pwede ka mag-stay for as long as 4 hours ka lang. Kasi 330, pareho lang naman 330 yung babayaran mo. Pero, ito yung kahalagahan ng mga break-even problems. Mapapansin nyo na pagka less than 4, kung halimbawa mag-stay ka lang nun ng 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, sa tingin nyo, sa dalawang graph, sino yung mas mababa? Di hamak na mas mababa yung babayaran natin sa Diamond Hotel. Kasi tingnan nyo yung graph niya. Yung graph niya, mas mababa yung graph na to kesa dun sa kulay green. Pagka yung value niya is less than 4. So, lalagyan po natin dito ng line, meaning hahatiin natin yung graph into 2 sections, the left section and the right section. So, di hamak na on this left side, ito naman yung right, on the left side of the graph, mas mababa si Diamond Hotel or Diamond Motel, Diamond Motel. Ibig sabihin, kung ikaw yung biker type, yan. Kung bikers at ang intention nyo, kaya kayo nagmo-motel is para magpahinga lang saglit or maligo lang or magpalit lang ng damit saglit, mas makakamura tayo sa Diamond Hotel. For as long as yung number of hours na mag-stay ka doon, hindi lalagpas ng 4 hours. E paano kung bakasyonista ka? Yung tipong na nagtatagal ka in one place. Kung magtatagal ka ron ng less than 4 hours, di hamak na mas mataas yung babayaran mo sa Amana. Saan mas mababa? Mas mababa yun kung mag-i-stay ka doon more than 4 hours. Ayan. So, tingnan niyo yung graph dito. Dito sa right side, di hamak na mas mababa na yung rate sa Amana. At tingnan nyo, kasi yung linear graph niya mas mababa kaysa dun sa, kaysa dyan sa Diamond Hotel. Yung ibig sabihin po niyan, kung magtatagal po tayo ng more than 4 hours, if we are on a vacation, in a certain motel or in a certain pension house, di hamak na mas makakamura tayo sa Amana. Kasi mas mababa yung graph niya. Pero, tandaan nyo, patas sila sa ordered pair na 4 and 3:30. Kung 4 na oras, alinman sa dalawang motels, Diamond or Amana, pwede ka mag-stay at pareho lang yung babayaran mo. If you exceed 4 hours, mas mahal sa Diamond. If you stay there less than 4 hours, mas mura sa Diamond, mas mahal sa Amana. At yan yung kahalagan nung kung bakit natin pinag-aaralan yung tinatawag na break-even. Kasi sa business, nakakatulong to. Malaki yung gamit nitong break-even na to. In dealing with charges, cost, charges, even comparing cost of merchandise, yan po. Now, just to sum up, pagka break-even po, yung klase ng tanong, tinitingnan natin kung aling part ng aling section ng graph natin yung mas mababa sa isa or yung mas mataas sa isa. Katulad nito, wherein sa left side mas mababa si Diamond, pero pagdating sa right side mas mababa na si Amana in comparing cost. At yan, malaki yung tulong nitong break-even analysis. So, to answer our question, our query, which is more economical to rent for a day vacation? Kung ikaw ay bakasyonista at magtatagal ka ng, let's say, more than 4 hours sa pension house or motel na yon, mas makakamura ka sa Amana Pension House. Kasi pag i-graph mo yung dalawang linear equation or yung dalawang linear system, mas mababa yung rate niya compared dun sa Diamond. At kung ikaw naman ay bikers na ang intention mo lang maligo, magpalit ng damit in less than 4 hours, mas mura sa Diamond Motel. Katulad nung pinapakita nung graph natin. Okay? Now, I'm going to leave an exercise for you to answer at home. This will serve as your home quiz. You're going to answer the following problem, 5 points kung for the graph. So I want you to graph numbers 1, 2, and 3, and then I want you to explain as much as possible. I want you to explain your answer. That will also give you another 5 points. So yung number 1 natin, kawangkiyan nung first example natin. Yung number 2 natin, kawangkiyan yun nung second example natin. At yung number 3 natin, this will be a break-even analysis. I want you to tell kung sino yung mas mura, sino yung mas mahal whenever your calls exceeds 120 minutes. Okay.